Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought we would do a little bit of a get ready with me. I currently don't really have anywhere to go, but I just thought it would be a fun thing to do and try a bunch of the new makeup that I have. I have 2 subscription boxes and then just a few other goodies that I have gotten here and there. So I might not be able to use all of it, but I'll definitely show you guys everything that I got. So let's get to it. So from what I can see in the Sephora one, I actually have a hydrating lip plumper from Grande Lips. I think I have something else from them, if I'm not mistaken. And I also think it's like a plumper, but it's actually with a color, like with a sort of tint. There is some tingling, but it's not like crazy tingling, I guess. But if you're very sensitive to that, I don't think this is gonna be for you. So I'm trying to go through what I have and see if there's anything for like for like foundation or primer or anything like that. But so far I see a moisturizer. I mean, I already moisturized, but we can go ahead and use this in the back of our hands just so we can see if it's moisturizing or not. Really nice. I mean, it doesn't really have like a it doesn't really have like a smell to it, you know, like fruity or anything like that, but it's all right. Oh, I guess I should put it like on the other hand too. You know, I heard somewhere, I'm not quite sure if this is true or not, but I heard somewhere that you could totally tell a person's age by the back of their hands. So like somebody could totally take care of their face and look really, really young, but if the back of their hands are wrinkly, then you know what's up. So I have an eyeliner here, and from Ayoko London, and then from Loritzi Cosmetics, a Light Sticks Illuminating like highlighter. Now this, it works nicely. It's just one of those tips that's like sort of fatter tip, and I don't know. I struggle with eyeliner as is. I don't think I need more. And this illuminating stick, okay, that's nice. That's a very nice and you know, goldy look. That's a fair amount of product. So I think we should just dive right into it. And I'm not gonna use any primer, but I am gonna use this stick here on my face. So sticking with this whole like natural look, we're gonna go ahead with the Fenty Beauty, and I usually like to put that in the back of my hand, just a few pumps, and then I'll just grab it with my brush and start working it in. So for concealer today, I'm actually going to mix, and I'm gonna use the Be Bright from Kokie Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna mix that a little bit with this Maybelline Age Rewind. Now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna set that once again, but I'm gonna set that with that pressed powder. I want to keep this today's look as natural as possible, you know, like just make it seem like I'm fresh and not really bring attention to my under eyes with the brightness that the, you know, that putting the concealer, like that effect. Perfect. So the skin is looking good right now. It's looking perfect. I don't have any eyebrow products, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I'll be right back. For the rest of the face, I'm gonna actually use a brand that I had used before. I had only used this cute little blush, and it's actually like a little bit broken. It's a really nice peachy color. It's just really pretty and pigmented, and I just absolutely fell in love with it when I saw it. However, back when I bought this, which was maybe like a year and a half ago, I don't really recall being as into makeup as I am now. So when I went the other day to Kohl's, where they sell this brand, I actually discovered in the clearance section some of their powder foundations, and this is, I think, called After Dark, and then this one is Medium Dark. So, and then actually this beautiful highlighter. So I think that I'm going to use the darkest one of this as a contour, and we're just gonna see if that works. Now this shade is really dark, so let me see if maybe the other shade might be a little like less. It kind of looks more like my skin when I'm really bronzed. So we're just gonna go with this darker one, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the Sephora brush 92, and we're just gonna go for it. I don't know how pigmented this is, so we'll see. Oh, it's actually really freaking beautiful. Ooh, it gives me just the bronzy I need. Oh, I might have just discovered like my favorite contour powder. Aside from the fact that, you guys, this is an amazing brush. I have all sorts of brushes, especially for contour, but this one by far has been one of my favorite ones. So I just kind of want to blend that out a little, because it does seem a little harsh on camera, even though in person it's like it's perfect, because it just looks natural. I can't explain it. A little bit on her forehead, you know. Ooh, that really is so freaking pretty. It's perfect. Oh, perfect contour. I like that it's buildable and it's not moving my foundation around, because usually with Fenty I have a hard time because some things will like make the foundation move, but this is, you know, the case, and I love it. And then I want to bake, because I don't have anything for my eyes, but I do have some more like pinky stuff. So I think I'm gonna try to do a little bit of a blend of this, a little bit of a blend of these two powders, and I'm gonna just try to create something. Because I have this awesome little highlighter sample that I got in the Sephora box that I want to try on my lid because I already want to try the highlighter that I bought from the Balm brand. Alright, I think we should grab a little bit of blush. Have to remember this one is super pigmented. Although we are contoured to the gods, I still want to somewhat keep this like I have a naturally chiseled face and pink rosy lips, and I highlight when I move, even though it's not the case. If you guys are wondering, this is just a bad habit that I have. I have a really bad habit of biting my lips. I'm guilty of this. I cannot help it. I'm so sorry to disappoint you guys. It is what it is. The highlight that I want to put on my eyelids, it's from SNATCHED, London. I'm not sure how to say them. I'm probably really like butchering the name really bad, so I apologize for that. Please don't hate me. I just do not know how to say your name. So this shade is this is the Glow 2 highlighter, and this is in the shade, I was about to say in the shade not for resale, like this is in the shade Moon Dust. So I'm gonna grab yes, it's dirty, it's fine. I'm gonna grab a Morphe flat brush like that, and I'm gonna get some of the product on the brush. And let's see how it works without having to like wet the brush first. Do you see that? Oh my god. Beautiful. That's really pretty. It's dry than it was when I wet the brush. And it's so pretty. Super freaking pretty. I absolutely love it. Absolutely. Now I'm gonna wipe this bake off, and we're gonna go ahead and we're going to set the face, and we're going to highlight. Now the highlight that I'm using is the Luminizer, aka the Manipulator. This is highlighter and shadow. So look at this packaging though. It's really cute. The highlighter, I already swatched it again the other day. That is like a beautiful champagne gold color with like a hint of rose gold in it. I made the face dewy, wet the mirror. I mean, it's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's very I was about to say subtle pretty, but it's not. Yet it is. It's actually really perfect because it's like not crazy glitter, but yes, glitter. I'm actually going to use that, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone, which is looking really nice. And then same thing, I'm going to use that for the inner corner, and I'm going to drag that up and a little down a little. Same, up and down a little. I don't have a lip product in any of the subscriptions that I have, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab one of my favorites. I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts, and after trying out a few of the things, I have to say I love all of it. I love the highlighting stick, I love the highlighter, I love the powder foundation that is now my new contour and bronzer. I loved the highlighter from SNATCHED. I love the lip plumper. I feel like in a way it did work for me, so I'm kind of very happy about that. And lastly, I loved this lotion, which I forgot to mention was from Caudalie, Paris, and it is a moisturizing sorbet. So I'll have to, you know, try that out a little bit more and see how my skin feels after a few tries. But right now I can't stop looking at myself, because I don't think I've ever looked this like natural, but I know that I'm like not natural because I'm wearing a ton of makeup. But you guys, the thing that shook me the most has got to be the Photo Balm foundation from the Balm. It is gonna be my ride or die thing. And then below this, it's gonna have to be the highlighter, because while at first it didn't have that initial like wow factor that I usually love, as a whole it just, there's no denying that it looks absolutely beautiful. So I'm very happy about that. Overall, I think I had a great haul, and I think I found a few items that I will definitely incorporate into my everyday beauty routine, and will definitely be in my favorites video, which is a series that I'm starting. It is my favorites of the month and like my not favorites. Yes, I did take this idea from a lot of other YouTubers. I'm not going to, you know, list everybody that I know has done this to give credit to. Just know that that is not my original idea. So we'll leave it at that. Anyways, if you guys are interested in, you know, me doing more of these videos where I just sit down and do a little bit of a get ready with me and try new products, then you guys let me know in the comment section down below. You can always hop on over to my Instagram, which is at Prismeth, and it'll be listed in the description box below. I'm always welcome to criticism, and you know, just if you want to chit chat, so you can go there. And I don't think this makeup look would be complete without my star. So thank you guys for watching again, and I appreciate you and love you guys the most. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day wherever you are, and stay blessed. Bye guys.